Buy term insurance, invest the difference, pag-usapan natin. Also known as BTID, isa itong strategy na ginagamit ng ibang tao na gusto nilang makakuha ng life insurance coverage at the minimal cost. This is often compared sa pagkuha ng VUL or investment-linked insurance. But it could also be an alternative even to other traditional plans such as endowment plans or whole life plans. So paano ba ito nag-work? A person has his or her budget, supposedly, na pambili niya ng VUL or other insurance plans. Whatever that budget is, instead of buying the VUL plan or the whole life plan or the endowment plan, that person will just purchase a term insurance, which is the cheapest life insurance policy there is. And then, kung ano man yung excess amount nun, ilalagay niya na lang sa ibang investment products. Those who implement BTID strategy can maximize their budget to get more life insurance coverage, and at the same time, nakakapag-allocate na rin sila sa mga investments na pampalago talaga ng pera. There's no one rule where to place yung investment mo, but most people would place them in pooled funds like UITFs and mutual funds para passive lang. Whatever earnings ang makuha mo from your investments, nasa sayo na yon if you will be using it to pay your term insurance premiums or will you be using that for your other financial goals. Pero guys, gusto ko lang ding sabihin, hindi kalaban ng BTID yung ibang types ng insurance. Because you can actually do BTID yet still get the other types of insurances. These different types of life insurance plans also have different features. May kanya-kanya silang pros and cons. Term insurances typically can only be renewed up to a certain age, which is okay lang naman for life insurance coverage, aka the death benefit, but it's a different story if we're talking about critical illness coverage. Para sa akin, ang ideal talaga for critical illness coverage is a whole life plan. BTID may also not be as favorable for people na hindi pa talaga marunong mag-invest or hindi nagmamatch yung risk appetite at risk tolerance nila dun sa mga investment products na nabanggit kanina. The market has so many different products to choose from at nandyan yan silang lahat para makapili ka kung ano ba talaga yung bagay sa'yo.